if you want to connect your Google Pixel 10 to PC and transfer data, then in that case you can use a USB cable. In my case, I'm going to use this cable over here. So this is not the original cable that we have inside the box, but this one allows me to connect to the computer. So if you don't have USB-C port on your computer, then you might want to use a different cable. So let's plug it in. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And now we can go to notifications. And over here we have this notification charging this device via USB. We can tap on this notification and we can switch to transfer file /Android Auto. Let's provide the password. And now let's move on to our computer. So over here, as you can see, once we open our computer, you should be able to find Pixel 10. We can go into that device. We have our internal storage. We can go through folders in order to find our photos, videos, all files that we have on our phone. And you can transfer to your computer or transfer from the computer to your phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.